5 signs you may have cancer, or liver or kidney after waking up. Go to the doctor before it's too late. Have you ever? Pay attention to the changes, abnormalities of the body immediately after waking up. There are signs that seem blurry. It's simple, but it's a warning. Early onset of dangerous diseases. Cancer is a disease that's dangerous, with a very high mortality rate in Vietnam. However, if we find out early, the disease can be completely treated. There are some warning signs. It's often that we need to pay attention to this disease. The first is, we're going to defecate bloody. This is a warning sign, but many people ignore it. You will often be confused with back constipation or mild hemorrhoids. However, if this condition is frequent, maybe you will face it with the great cancer, duodenal or severe gastrointestinal pathologies, and early detection and periodic visits. It's a very important thing. The advice is that we're going to eat fiber, lots of greens and fruits, and have regular health checks. The second one is a constant headache. A headache every morning. It could be a sign of cerebral anemia, leading to symptoms such as dizziness, nausea and fatigue. And if the pain persists, it doesn't subside. It can also be a manifestation of pathologies. For example, the pathologies involved to brain cancer, for example. And there's one thing that liver cancers do. Kidneys, for example. It's very normal to have metastases on top of the brain, and especially the main organ that's. It does not show symptoms that it can manifest in organs. Metastasis before, especially that small cell cancer card in the liver. B is joint pain, especially the pathologies. It causes joint pain in the morning. It could be pathologies related to this rheumatism, but if the pain persists, back with numbness, then we need to put the memory, and we need to go check, and avoid taking pain medication on your own. It can harm the liver and stomach. Dessert after waking up. It's no small thing. If you bitter your mouth often, it could be a symptom of liver disease, gastric reflux disease or kidney problems. And the liver. The kidneys are important organs in the body detoxification. If they work poorly, it will cause build-up and cause unpleasant symptoms as bitter mouth. Let's check liver and kidney function. If your bitter mouth persists, and combine more other abnormal manifestations such as bloating, jaundice or loss of appetite. The fifth symptom is a persistent cough. The constant cough of the morning. It's a sign of cancer, and maybe a prolonged cough. Dizziness and blood, accompanied by fever, accompanied by weight loss. We should go to the hospital right now. Stay tuned. Your health and don't ignore it. It's an unusual sign. If there is any sign, go visit. Early examination, timely treatment to avoid the unfortunate. Healthcare, the best way to protect yourself, and don't forget to eat healthy living. Keep a comfortable mood so that the body stays healthy. May you and your family always be safe and sound, so that we can see the information useful every day. If you see the video, or share and reach more people. Hello and see you in the next video.